Good day, subscribers, fans, friends, families. I really appreciate how my channel been escalating views. It's great Amaziah with breaking news. Globally, people elated how me relating news. Me know it's early, but me rather tell you what's late in news. The JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, today, August 23rd, confirmed that Police Commissioner Major Antony Anderson has indeed tested and infected with the Covid-19 virus. Anderson is currently home quarantined after experiencing mild flu-like symptoms. In abiding with the strict protocols upon feeling these symptoms, he quickly subjected himself to get tested, and he was notified on August 22nd and was positively infected. It was said that the police commissioner is in good spirits and is only displaying mild symptoms. So see it for yourself, Covid-19 virus no really care you or who. If this thing gets out of hand and start behave like JackieChang, kicking like kungfu, Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Health Minister, what are we gonna do? Well, this is not the time for fun and leisure. So meanwhile, as a precautionary measure, it is indeed clever. Members of his immediate staff are all now quarantined and in the process of getting tested too. Now, sections of the office of the police commissioner have been immediately closed off to facilitate sanitization of the place in order for testing of the staff and members so it not escalate. Meanwhile, Major General Anderson is very concerned in and urging all members of the JCF, especially all out upon the front line of the nation's fight against this pandemic, as they carry out their daily functions. Members should strictly observe the established COVID-19 protocols and to immediately seek medical support once you exhibit any flu-like symptoms. The latest update on coronavirus cases in Jamaica, all courtesy of Jamaica News Network, dated August 22nd, stated that confirmed cases are 1,413. 67 of those are within the last 24 hours. 508 are active cases. Recoveries are 817. And 16 are dead. Whoa! This is nothing to hide. Cases is rapidly on the rise. Over the past 3 days, Jamaica have more than 200 confirmed cases, and this is no lies. Effective yesterday, August 22, St. Thomas, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Kingston and St. Andrew, the Prime Minister says is under curfew from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. right back until September 2. The following day is election day, so please tell me, do you think this is wise what them a do? Some people are blaming the government for opening up the borders. With all honesty, since then the cases have grew larger. Tourism Minister says we can't afford to let the economy collapse, so people should practice social distance to avoid the disaster. Do you really think they honestly care for the people, or is it the money they're after? Well, me only ask a question, so please state an answer. The reopening of school pushed back until October 5th, 2020. But if them people in a cooperate, then these cases will be escalating plenty. This is a global pandemic. Act smart and stop behaving like your brain empty. We don't need no mass gatherings, all when gatherings really temporary. Jamaica, make we do this now, please. Believe we can. This is Amaziah the Great saying we need to be strong. Tell them precisely.
Big up great amazement, Butch Bandin and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziah the Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziah the Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziah the Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.